I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing who will be silenced and why. That clarity determines the method. Open the app or device settings now and navigate directly to the conversation or contact. Once there, verify you have the right account and permissions so changes stick. You want to act fast. Tap the contact or thread to expose options, then look for notification controls labeled Do Not Disturb, Mute, or Notifications. This first step sets the context and prevents accidental silencing of the wrong person. Once the notification menu is visible, select Do Not Disturb or Mute and read the choices. Timing matters. Choose a preset duration or open custom to pick exact start and end times. Make sure to check exceptions so critical calls or mentions still get through. Toggle Allow calls or starred contacts if necessary. After setting duration and exceptions, confirm or save. You'll see a status indicator on the thread or contact confirming the change. This tells you the setting applied successfully. Finalize the process by verifying the Do Not Disturb marker on the conversation and checking global notification settings to ensure no override exists. If you want certainty, use another account to send a test message and watch for alerts. Silence confirms success. If notifications still arrive, restart the app or device, then reapply the setting and inspect permission toggles for that app. If problems persist, clear cache or update the app. These steps resolve lingering conflicts and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.